Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, and what's up? Hey everybody, I'm NaturallyStacey and welcome back to my channel. To all of my existing subscribers and to all my new subscribers, hello, sit down, get a drink, get a snack, and welcome to another Surprise Wednesday video. All right, man, it's early. It is really, really early, but I do this because I know some of y'all want to know about some of these foundations, and heck, I do too. So, who better to test them out than me, Stacy? So, if you guys want to know what foundation I'm testing on this lovely Wednesday, stay tuned. Okay, let's see. This week I'm not going to say we because it's only one me. I'm testing the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Foundation. That is the foundation of choice from the little handy dandy Sephora bag that you guys saw in the last foundation video. So let me get on and not ramble too much because it is really incredibly early in the morning. So here's our little foundation tester. And the color number that I was matched was 51NN. So we're going to go ahead and start putting this all around the face. I said faced, didn't I? Lord. Anyway, so I went to Sephora one day and I was like, can I get this foundation, that foundation? I got a bunch of foundations and was like, I'm going to test them all for you guys and for myself because once, this foundation, then once the Pat McGrath runs out, I need a backup. So, and I like just trying new foundations. I don't stick with the same foundation all the time. Oh, the brush I'm using is the Morphe. What does this say? Can't see. Let me look. Oh, can't see. I didn't ask for that. .806. This is the Morphe 806. Oh God. Well, the color of the brush handle is what was throwing me off. I couldn't see. So, of course, I was matched at Sephora, so I'm praying this color works because one of the three that I got, the color just was, it was okay. So, of course, I'm going to have to do some finessing to make it work. So we'll see. And if you heard something, that was my stomach growling. How the heck I get foundation on my watch? Lord. Okay. And that's it. All right. Let's see. Oh, the foundation is on, and let me see. Let me look at it real quick. Got foundation under my nail. Okay, looking at it in the mirror, foundation looks really good. I have no issues about it. I just realized I have a freckle on my ear. Ha, funny. So, the things you find when you look in a mirror. Let's see. Right now, looking at the foundation looks really good. I have no issues with it so far. It is 4:01 a.m. So we're looking at probably another 12-hour day of wear, which is fine. I believe this foundation boasts of a 24-hour wear. I believe it's a 24-hour wear. I think that's what I read, but we'll get into all of that later on when I get home from work. So let's see. Like I said, I'm liking the coverage so far. I can still see everything on my face, that is what I really want when it comes to foundations. I'm not huge on full coverage, only like if I'm going out and taking a bunch of pictures. So, all right, enough with the rambling. I'm going to jump back in the bathroom, go ahead, finish up my face. I'm going to get dressed, and I'm going to try to come back on before I get out of here today and show you guys my face and let you guys know what I'm thinking so far. Okay, I am back, and it is 5:03 in Demerton. I might be probably the only person that does foundation test early in the morning, because I notice a lot of YouTubers that I watch are like, oh, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I'm gonna have this on till midnight. No, I am at bright and early 5 in the morning. So all right, all the rest of my makeup is on. Got my concealer, blush, bronzer, all that fun filled stuff, and my lip is on. And so far so good. I actually like the way it looks. I'm trying to remember how the original Urban Decay foundation looked on my face, and I believe I liked it. If I remember correctly, it was 2015 when I did that video, and of course I'll have it linked above so you guys can see that. So and below also. So let's see. So far so good. I'm actually liking the look, the finish of it. I just found out it is going to be 92 degrees today. So this is going to be a fun-filled one. So, all right, I'll be back when I get home from work, and we gonna talk about, I'll give you guys a little bit more info on the foundation. You're gonna see my face after 12 hours, 12 or so more hours of wear, and I'll be back in a few. Okay, and I'm back home from work, and it is now 4:44. It is Jay-Z time. So I am back. I would have been home a lot sooner if my bus wasn't almost 20 minutes late. So enough about that. We're not even gonna get into that. So let's talk about this foundation. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless foundation. The color that I am wearing is 51NM. This is medium warm with golden undertones. I'm golden. Hey. Anyway, I'm just a dork. Don't mind me. I have issues. All right, let's talk about the specs and stuff. All right, I'm on the Sephora site, and it says what it is: a vegan buildable medium coverage liquid foundation with a real skin matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. Coverage medium, finish matte, formulation liquid, skin type normal dry, combination and oily. Ingredient call outs: this product is vegan and cruelty free. Another thing about this is in 50 shades. Designed with 9 shade intensities, 3 master tones, and 7 undertones. This is waterproof, long wear foundation. Feels like second skin thanks to its breathable formula. It just feels better and looks better with Stay True color, which minimizes the appearances of pores. Okay, that was a mouthful after 9 straight hours of work. So, okay, it's funny that it says it's a matte finish, and it's not to me, it doesn't feel like a matte, look like a matte finish to me. The Fenty original foundation to me was a matte finish. This, I'm seeing, it doesn't look like a matte finish to me. It looks more like a natural, maybe kind of satiny finish, but because with a matte finish, a lot of times I can barely see my freckles. But as you can see right here, you see freckles. All my freckles is out. They still out there. So how do I feel about this foundation after almost 13 hours of wear? I like it. On my nose is just a little bit of oil from the day. Mainly to me, I think this is more so from traveling outside, because before I left work, it wasn't this bad. Hopefully I will be able to put in the footage as I was walking out of work. I have to try not to show my job. Okay, sorry. Y'all don't need to know where I work. You really don't. I don't think y'all even care. Anyway, back to what I'm trying to say. But for real, I do like this foundation. Would I buy it? Yeah, I actually would. The original Naked foundation was nice, and I like that. And like I said, I did that review back in, why I keep thinking 2015. I'll have it linked above. I have it linked above and below so you guys can see that review. I actually showed you guys how I applied it, and I think actually I used to wear it with hot sand liquid illuminator from NARS. I used to wear that underneath to have that glow. But this one, I don't feel that I need to put that underneath. I don't think I needed it then too, but I just like that look. But to be honest with you, it seems like every time I sit down and record, I get a phone call. And it's always from the same person. And she knows who she is. Anyway, yes, I would actually buy this foundation again. I do like the foundation. I like the way it looks on my face. I turn my light back on my mirror so you can kind of see it a little bit better. See it a little bit more, I'm sorry. But yeah, shoot, it's like 13 hours of wear. It looks really good. I'm really impressed with it. I did set it with a powder. I think I used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish powder, I believe. I think that's what, it's funny that I say this in my bag. No, it's in my other bag. It's in my travel bag. That's right. But I believe it was my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I actually don't put my powder in the makeup below. For some reason, I kind of forget to do that. But that is the powder sometimes I set with, because sometimes I don't set my foundation. But anyway, like I said, I would buy this. I do like it. I like the feel. I like the look of it. This is another everyday foundation, just like the Fenty foundation. I like that one also. So, okay, we're batting two out of 2, doing really good. So hopefully, we'll see. If there's any other foundations or makeup that you guys want me to try, talk to me below, and I'll see about getting a sample, and we can do another surprise pop-up video, So, I'm gonna get out of here. I gotta go. I'm really hungry, and it's almost 5 o'clock, and I need some sort of food, and I need to start my homework for the week. I haven't done my homework this week, so let me pop this light off. I'm gonna get out of here. So if you guys have any questions, talk to me below in the comment section, and I will do my best to answer you as quickly as possible. And if you guys like videos like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Or is it like and subscribe? I can never remember which way it goes. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribing is free. All my social medias were at the beginning. And I'm going to get out of here. Let me know if you have any questions. Love, peace, and hair products. Bye.